G'day, today just a quick hint about what's coming up in the next year and a bit. It's 409 days till Windows 7 ends free support for Microsoft. It's in an extended support phase right now, which means that the machine is going to get Windows 7 security patches. That will end at in January 14, 2020. Now, what's going to happen between now and then? You can be reasonably sure that Microsoft is going to provide some kind of discount to get people to move towards Windows 10, but the days of getting a free Windows 10 license is well over. They did that initially, that was quite cool. Windows 10 is supposedly the last version of Windows that there'll ever be, so this kind of every few years having a recycle your Windows systems from XP to Vista to Windows 7 to Windows 8 to Windows 10, maybe it's going to be in the past. I'm not sure about that. Anyway, from a company's perspective, in the next year you should budget to look to either upgrade your Windows 7 machines, and that could just be a case of if they're reasonable boxes and they're still doing what they need to do, chuck in some more RAM, chuck in a solid state drive, boom, she's going to be good for go for another year or two, or just replace it. It's probably 4 or 5 years old now anyway. Let's just get them all out of the organization now, so when that comes around you're not left with boxes in your network which are susceptible to additional vulnerabilities getting in there and allowing the bad guys to have their way with you. Alright, cheers guys.